Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to edit this type of portrait. So I'm just dragging and drop this into the Photoshop. So today I'll show you how to edit this type of photo A to Z. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Press Ctrl or Command J and right press and restylize the layer. Okay, and yeah, that's fine. Lots of things we have to do from here. At first, going to the filter again and going to the camera filter. So in a camera filter, I'll adjust the light and other stuffs. So pick up the light from here. You can do like that, or you can pick the light from here. I'll suggest you to pick the light from here. Okay, increase the exposure a little bit. So like that here, and hit OK. First thing is done, and I'll do color correction and everything later. Before that, you have to remove the spot from the face and we'll make this one smooth. So how to do that? Here is spot healing brush tool. From that we can remove the spot easily. Going to the filter and neural filter. From this portion we'll edit the face at first. Here smooth skin, making it turn on, and smoothness will increase, and the blur a little bit. So that's good, and hit OK. So before and after, you're getting the change, huge change, and making it like that. Making another copy, two copy. So another is blur, and this one is sharp. Going to the filter from here, going to the blur options and Gaussian blur. So don't make it too much. So I think this blur is okay for that. Okay, that's fine. And here is the sharpen option, turning off this one, and sharpen portion. I'll go to the filter and going to the other and the high pass options. From here you have to define here the skin texture. When you are getting the skin texture, leave it and hit OK. So making these two things group and smooth. So that is the frequency separation, and making it mask and I from the keyboard, and B brush tool, and you are getting the blur like that. But you have to make this one into flow a little bit down and smooth a little bit down. So now make the brush size smaller. B from the keyboard, making this smaller, and blur. So I think making it more opacity and flow down. So selecting these two things, making it convert to smart object. Now time to going to filter and camera filter. Now we'll do the face changing, the colors and other stuff. So making it a little bit warm. So this one is the main color actually, and tint should be like this, a little bit red type. From here exposure a little bit up, and contrast a little bit up, highlights a little bit down, and the whites a little bit up, and texture. From here you can add texture, the texture will be like that. I don't want to do that, so like this, and clarity a little bit down, and the dehaze a little bit like that. And shadow, I'll add some shadow a little bit. Yeah, from here the color here, the detailing option, adding some noise reduction and the color noise reduction. And from here the color mixture, making the red color a little bit up, so luminance a little bit up. And from here the blue, I'll have to change the blue color, yeah, down, just because of here in a white portion of the eyes we are getting the blue, we have to remove from here. Okay, that's good. And the purple, yeah, that's good. And the little bit orange, and luminance of the orange and yellow we have to make it up here. That's fine. The hue of the blue have to make this one, yeah, that's fine. The purple like that. And the color grading. From here, what color in a shadow portion, we have to decide that. So I'd like to use this type of color. Yeah, in a mid-tone we have to use this type of mid-tone. Yeah, luminance and the blendings, and here the highlights, what color will be in a highlights you have to define. Yeah, that's fine. The calibration portion, here the calibration. Yeah, that's good, and that's good. So from here we are getting before and after, huge change. And I'm saving these settings, saving the settings, and I'll give the settings name the portrait. So indoor portrait, and then hit OK. Let's see the before and after, huge change you are getting over here. And now portraiture 3, this one is another plugins for the face retouching. And from here the normal, and from here I'll use a foundation from here, actually this foundation. Okay, let's see the before one and after one. Here is the before and after. Okay, and then hit OK. Yeah, let's see the before and after. If we make it zoom, let's see the before and after, huge change. Now going to the filter again, and Nik Collection and Color Fix Pro 4. So this one is another plugins for adding filter in your photography, and hit OK. Okay, I'm using here the cross processing and lots of sub method over here. Which one is your perfect tone, or which one you want to apply in your photography? I think this one L02 is good for me, actually perfect for me, and hit the OK button. So it's adding some things. Okay, and now press Ctrl or Command J and right press and restylize the layer. And for the texture appearing, we'll add this one into the high pass portion. So hard light, adding this one hard light, and going to the filter and other and high pass. So from here I'm using the high pass for the like that. Yeah, so before and after, if we make it zoom, the before and after, we're getting the edges which is really sharp and cool. And let's see the before one and after one, huge change you are getting from here. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section. And until the next video, I'm ASM Arif signing out. Stay safe, stay at home, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.